All right, let's cut to the chase. You want to dive into dropshipping without spending a dime. Is that even possible? If that's your burning question, brace yourself for some hard truths. First, a quick pop quiz for you. Can you name a single business model where you can get filthy rich without investing a penny? Go on, I'll wait. Still thinking? That's because it's a myth. If it were that easy, everyone would do it and be rich, but drop shipping doesn't work like that. Now, I bet before landing here, you've been bombarded with countless YouTube videos promising you the moon and telling you exactly the opposite. They'll tell you tales of buying a product for $5 and selling it for $50, and of course, then introduce you to their secret or special method. Of course, it's secret and special, that's why it's on YouTube. And the cherry on top? You don't even need to spend on ads. Just post a few videos and pics on social media and voila, you're the next e-commerce sensation. Oh, and let's not forget the copy-paste strategy. Just mimic what's trending, use the same ads, the same store design, template, and you're golden. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's because it is. All these dropshipping gurus show you is to go to TikTok. Search for viral TikTok hashtags like hashtag TikTok made me buy it, kitchen hacks, or hashtag pet must-haves. Find product videos that have millions of views, and then go to AliExpress and find the same items, of course, from the cheapest Chinese supplier. This is basically their super secret research method that all beginners are using now, by the way. After that, they tell you to just reuse the same old videos that you found on TikTok, cut them, put them together in a new collage, and that's your new ad, basically. But wait, you don't have money to spend on ads, so instead you will have to create tens of videos like that and spam TikTok with them, hoping that at least one will get viral as the original videos. And you will have to do that for each product you plan to sell. But guess what? At the same time, thousands of other dropshippers are doing the same thing, with the same products and using the same videos and types of posts as you. And the real kicker? The only ones truly profiting and making money out of these strategies are those YouTube gurus teaching you their secret methods. With a CPM of around $20 to $30, they're making bank every time you click on and watch their secret strategy videos. In case you didn't know, dropshipping is one of the most profitable niches on YouTube. This means that for every 1,000 views, the creator will get paid $20 to $30. So next time when you watch a video with a bombastic title about dropshipping, think about how much money that YouTuber is actually making from you watching their video, and also how much truth there is in what they are supposedly trying to teach you. Now let me tell you something that's actually real. Here's the cold, hard truth. 1. Over 90% of dropshipping beginners crash and burn within their first year. And half of them, they throw in the towel within the first 3 months. 2. The vast majority of these unfortunate souls are sourcing cheap products from China and places like AliExpress. They're also all using the same few tools and research methods. 3. They're all flocking to the same advertising platforms, which in general are either TikTok or Facebook, and are using the same strategies to promote their products. These folks are pouring in money, time, and effort, and yet they're sinking. So what makes you think you can sail smoothly without investing a dime? It just doesn't make any sense. But hey, don't get disheartened. If you're here, it means you're hungry for success, and that's half the battle won. Let's pivot that energy in the right direction. First, here's what you need to stop doing. 1. Ditch the cheap Chinese products and stop dropshipping from AliExpress. Sure, the profit margins look tempting, but trust us, your return rate will also be crazy high. 2. Originality is key. So stop copying others and stop selling the same items as them. Everyone using the same tools and strategies and selling the same products is a one-way ticket to failure. 3. Stop using the same advertising strategies, channels, and creatives as all the other dropshippers. Remember that 90% of them crash and burn within their first year as e-commerce entrepreneurs. So why would you copy people that in the end will fail? 4. Reality check. Dropshipping without investment is a myth, period. So stop dreaming about succeeding in dropshipping with no money or any upfront investment. Now let's focus on what you should be doing. 1. Quality over quantity. Find domestic suppliers who can deliver quickly with a 2 to 5 days delivery time and handle returns efficiently. 2. Go big or go home. Focus on high-ticket items. Aim for products with a profit margin of at least $80 to $100. The best price range is between $200 and $800. 3. Advertise smart. Focus on platforms where the buying intent is high. Google ads, especially Google shopping ads, and you can also try Pinterest ads later. These are your best bets as a dropshipping beginner. Now this, my friend, is the blueprint to success. If you're a newbie with a tight budget, this approach will give you the best shot at making it big in dropshipping, especially if you don't have time and resources to waste on months of testing various products, channels, ads, and so on. And if you're feeling a tad disappointed, don't be. If now's not the right time, it doesn't mean dropshipping isn't for you. Work hard, save up, and when you're ready and have a decent budget to get started, dive in with both feet. Trust me, it's better to wait and start strong than to rush and crash. We will discuss more about the ideal budget to get you started as a beginner in one of our next videos, so make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. Now, before we finish, let's clear the air. We're not here to wage war against TikTok dropshippers or those YouTube gurus we mentioned earlier. But let's get real for a moment. The dropshipping community, especially those just starting out, are being bombarded with myths and half-truths. It's high time someone stepped up and laid out the facts, raw and unfiltered, and set some realistic expectations. Here's our promise to you. Achieving success in dropshipping without any investment or prior experience is, to put it bluntly, a pipe dream. If we're talking odds, you're looking at a slim 10% chance, and honestly, for many, it's even less. Yes, there are stories of folks striking gold with dropshipping and TikTok or Facebook ads, but the grind behind those success stories, it's intense and often overlooked. For a newcomer, replicating that success can feel like scaling Everest without any gear. But don't be disheartened. Every cloud has a silver lining. In our upcoming videos, we'll dive deep into the nitty-gritty, the ideal budget for kickstarting your dropshipping journey, the mindset shifts required, and setting realistic expectations for this business model. Want a deeper dive? Check out our Dropshipping Academy. It's on your screen right now, and we've dropped a link in the description. This isn't just another overpriced course. We're offering value that's hard to match elsewhere, and for 20 times cheaper. And if you're hungry for more insights, there's a treasure trove of content waiting for you on our channel. Click here now to watch another awesome video about dropshipping. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, in the world of business, knowledge is power.